Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all another recipe using strawberries, and May is National Strawberry Month. I'm going to share with all of y'all some homemade strawberry jam. Oh yes, sugar. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and the best part, only 4 ingredients and no pectin required. This jam would be great to serve for breakfast, brunch, even afternoon tea, and perfect to spread on biscuits, toast, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, you name it. And once you taste this, you'll never buy store-bought strawberry jam again. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. So heat up your pot and grab your fresh strawberry sugar, because we're about to make some strawberry jam magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my medium saucepan, I got my fire over medium heat. I added in a pound of strawberries that I rinsed. And I remove the tops and the white inside. And in 2 hour strawberries, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of white sugar. Give it a quick stir. And all we do is bring it to a boil. All right, my friends, our strawberries and sugar has came to a boil. So next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And give this a stir. And we're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes. And you got to keep on stirring. Otherwise, if you leave it, it'll burn quickly. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, this is what our jam looks like. And you see how it changed color? So now I cut my fire off. There's one more ingredient we got to add to it. 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. And stir that in. Alrighty, so now we're ready to pour the jam into our mason jar. And I forgot to mention, while the berries was cooking, I mash them up with my potato masher. And here's a tip, my friends. Add some hot water to your mason jar so that way it'll be at the same temperature when we add the jam. All right, here we go. Alrighty, my friends, so all we do now is let our strawberry jam cool completely. And then we're going to place them into the refrigerator. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Homemade strawberry jam. And how simple and easy was that? This is what it looked like. Oh, yes, baby. Perfect strawberry jam. That looks great. Alrighty, I got some biscuits in the oven, and as soon as they get through, I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I cut my biscuit in half and I'm serving it with some strawberries. Also, today is National Buttermilk Biscuit Day, and this is my 3 ingredient buttermilk biscuit recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So now, we're going to add some of my fresh strawberry butter that I made on my last video. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. And of course, my strawberry jam. What's better than homemade biscuits with fresh strawberry butter and homemade jam? Ain't nothing like it. It's about to get down. Now, how good does that look? Does it get any better than that? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Lord have mercy. It's full of fresh strawberry flavor. I'm in strawberry heaven. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Strawberry jam, delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.